Hello, little cute little stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter and a new concept. I hope so. You have completed your previous chapter worksheet. Yes, well done. And now you are ready to move on to the next chapter, which is chapter number 3, addition of smaller numbers. So, in this chapter, what we are going to learn? We are doing addition of small numbers. Okay, so let's take a recap for it. Addition means to put together. We use the plus sign for addition. The answer in addition is called the sum. So whenever we add two numbers together, to what we call their answer, we call it sum. Now we have 7 plus 1, which is 8, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 8 plus 1, 9. And now you tell me what we get when we add 3 plus 4. Well done. 7, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, addition terms. Now we are going to learn about the addition terms. The first word we have in which we have to add the second number, it called addend. Now, the second number is same added. So, when we add 2 addend, what we get? We get our sum. So, 5 is added and 3 is also added. So, 5 plus 3 is 8, which is our sum. Now, 2 plus 4 is 6. Added plus added, it's your sum. So, in same way, you have to solve this rest of the questions. Each number to be added, it's called the addend. Now we have addition properties. First of all, we have commutative property. Commutative property means whenever we change in order of the addend does not change the sum. For example, if I say 7 plus 2 is 9, so the sum of 2 plus 7 is also same 9. It means whenever we change the order of the numbers, it does not change the sum. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is also 8. This is called commutative property. Now we have addition with 0 and we already learnt about this addition with 0 in our earlier classes. So whenever we add any number to 0, our answer remains same, the number itself only. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 10 is 10 and 0 plus 9 is 9. So whenever we add any number in 0, we get the same number we have. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Addition with 1. So whenever we add anything in 1, what we get? We get the next number of it. For example, 5 plus 6. So what comes after 5? We get 6. 8 plus 1. What comes after 8 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2. It means when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the next number. Try this. 8 plus 2 is 2, which means which number is missing? So 8 plus 2 and 2 plus 8. Our answer remains same, which is 10. Now 9 plus 6 and 6 plus 9 is same and answer will be the sum 15. Now 1 plus 5 and 5 plus 1 is remain same and what comes after 5? We have 6. So in same way you have to solve this rest of the question. Now filling the boxes. 11 plus 2 is 13. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 1 plus 1 is what comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. So in same way you can solve rest of the questions you have. Now 9 plus 0 is 9 and when we get 6 when we add something, so whenever we add 0 in something we get the number itself. What we get here, what we have to add in 5 to get 5, this is 4. So students, now what you have to do, you have to solve this rest of the questions with the same way as I do. Now addition of 2-digit numbers without carrying. So in this case I'll explain you what does mean by carrying, but first of all understand this. Let us add 20 and 18. First add ones and write the sum in ones place, then add tens and write the sum in tens place. So 0 plus 8 is, we already learned in the properties, 0 plus 8 the number itself, which is 8. 2 plus 1, what comes after 2? That is 3. Now 0 plus 8 and 2 plus 1, 3. These are our sum. Now 1 plus 6. So what comes after 6? 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 97 is your answer. Now find the sum of the following numbers. 6 plus 3 is, well done students, 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. If you forget how you have to add this number, you can use the vertical lines method we use in our earlier classes. For example, 1 plus 3. So what you have to do, first you have to make one line, then three lines, 1, 2, 3. Now count them together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what our answer? What is our answer? Then our answer is 4. Next we have 4 plus 2. The same method you can repeat for 4 plus 2, and at the moment you get your sum 64. Now 3 plus 6 is 9 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is your answer, 99. You have to solve rest of the question in a similar way as I do, and it's totally up to you if you want to use your vertical line method or any other method which you want to use. Addition of two-digit number with regrouping. Regrouping is writing the same number in different ways by changing group of tens and ones. Ones to tens. Consider the number 12. 12 can be written as 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 0, tens and 12 ones. Now can we write the same 12 number in a different way, which is 1, 10 and 2 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 10 and 2 ones. Now we can similarly write 38. So how can we write 38? 0 tens and 38 ones, and 2 10, 28. Na? 1 tens and 28 ones. You can also write the same number 38, 2 tens and 18 ones, and also you can write 3 tens and 8 ones. Your answer will remain same, 38. So filling the blank, 17 ones is equal to 110 plus 7 ones. 14 ones is 110 and 4 ones. 25 ones is 2 tens and 5 ones. 49 ones is 4 tens and 9 ones. So what you have to do, you have to repeat. Okay, let's take one more question. 3 tens and 16 ones. So 3 tens and 16 ones means now we have 4 tens and 9 ones. How we get this answer? If you add 3 tens, which means 30, into 16 ones, which is this. First you have to add this. So you got here, what you got here? 4 tens and 6 ones. Now for this you have 7 tens means 70 and 31. So again 70 and 13 ones. 3 and 7 and 1 is 8. So 8 tens and 3 ones. So in same way you have to solve these two rest of the questions. Now add 56 and 29. So how can we write 56 and 29? 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 you have here. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So 56 plus 29 is 85. Now you can write it 5 tens, 6 ones, 2 tens, 9 ones, which is 15 ones and 7 tens. So how can you write it? 7 tens, 1 10, 5 ones. 7 tens and 1 10 is 8 tens and 5 is 5 ones. So your end answer is 85. Now you have to know your skill, how much you learn now. So you have to answer this question your own. Okay. Now add these two-digit numbers with regrouping. One has been done for you. 58 means 5 tens and 8 ones, 2 tens and 5 ones. So 5 tens and 2 tens are 7 tens, 8 and 5 are 13 ones, which means 7 tens, 13 ones would be 1 10 and 3 ones. 7 tens plus 1 10 is 8 tens and 3 ones is your end answer, 83. Now this. So now we have question number B, 96 plus 48, which means 9 tens and 6 ones, 4 tens and 8 tens. So 6 plus 8 is 14 ones, and we have 13 tens. Now 13 tens plus ones is 110 is 14 tens and 7. 14 tens and we have 4 ones. Now 14 tens and 4 ones means 144. So this is your answer. Okay. Next we have to add 75 plus 85. So how can you write? 7 tens and 5 ones, 8 tens plus 5 ones. So 5 ones and 5 ones are tens ones, plus 8 and 7 is 15 tens. 15 tens and 10 1 tens, 10 tens means 150. So 0, 1, 7 and 8 is 15 and 16, because 15 plus 1 is 16 and 0 is common. So 160 आपका answer. Yeah, 160 is your end answer. So in same way you have to solve this question. Let's take one more example. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So 75 is your last answer. Now addition of two-digit numbers with carrying. Add the ones first. If the sum is greater than 9, then regroup the 10 ones into 1, 10 and remaining ones. Write these ones in place of the sum. Carry 1 10 on top of the tens digit and then add all the tens digit. It means first we have to ones. So 4 plus 8 is 12. So we only write the last digit which is 2, and we write 1 on top of the and we write 1 on top of the next addendum. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, which means our answer is 92. This is our answer, 92. Now 6 plus 8 is 14. Last digit we have to write here 14. So 4 we write here, 1 should be here. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 94. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now 1 carry on the top of the other addends. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. This is our answer, 81. Next we have 8 plus 6. We do the same here. So we write 14. Then 1 should be here. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So your answer will be 84. Now you have to solve rest of the question in same way as I do. Adding three numbers. Now we are going to add three numbers. So for example, 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we have to add the next number into 8. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So we just write the last number and we can write the 17 directly because we not have any other addends. So now 27 plus 5 plus 32. So first we write 27, then 5, then 32. So same, first we add 7 and 5, we get 12. After 12, we have to add 2 into this. So 12 plus 2 is 14. We just write last number, which is 4. And your 1 should be on the top of the other addends. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is your last answer, which is 64. Okay. So these two are the other two examples of the same method. Now you have to identify and evaluate yourself how much you learned till now in your know your skill section. Now add the following. So 2 plus 4. So first we have to 2 and 4. We get 6. 6 plus 7. So our answer will be 13. So what we have to write here? We have to write here 3 and 1, which is 13. Next we have 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7 is again the same, we have 13. So we just write the last digit here 3 because we have another addends, and this one should be on top of the other addends. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is our answer, 33. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So what you have to write? You have to write only last digit, which is 4. And 1 should be here. 1 plus 2 is 3. So in same way, you have to solve rest of the questions you have. Now we have word problems, means we have to use the addition part only. But now first we have to identify what is the question is. Now Rashmi had 52 beads. So how many beads? 52. Her friend gave her 28 beads more. How many beads does she have now? So what we have to do? We have to add 52 and 28. So first we add 2 and 8. Our answer will be 10 and 1 should be on top of the other addends. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So our answer will be 8080. Now the next question we have, in a garden there are 7 neem trees. How many? 7. 8 people trees, 8. 15 teak trees, 15. How many trees are there in the garden? So what you have to do, you have your three numbers, 7 neem, 8 people and 15 teak trees. You have to add these three numbers together. 7 plus 8 plus 15. So first what you have to do, first you have to 7 and 8. You will get 7 plus 8, 15. After 15 you have to add 5 into this. So how can you add this? You can start your counting after 15 till 5th place, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you get 20 here. So what you write here? Only the last digit 0. Then 2 is should be on the other addendums we have. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So how many trees are there? There are total 30 trees we have. So students, you have to solve the rest of the question in a similar way as I do. I hope so students, this chapter is clear to you. And now we have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform in your maths lab, and with that your chapter is ends here. So I hope students you understood this chapter very well. Now I'll meet you in your next class. Till that, what you have to do, you have to enjoy your life. Have a good day. Bye bye.